Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix battery drain on iPhone in iOS 17.3.1. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Method 1. Enable and disable airplane mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, enable airplane mode. Then wait for few seconds and disable it. Method number 2. Turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap on Wi-Fi. On the Wi-Fi page, turn off Wi-Fi. Go back setting page, tap on Bluetooth. Turn off Bluetooth. Method number 3. Turn off background app refresh. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on General. On the General page, scroll down, tap background app refresh. Again tap background app refresh. Select off. Method number 4. Use dark mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on display and brightness. Select dark mode. Method number 5. Turn on reduce white point. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on accessibility. On the accessibility page, tap display and text size. On the display and text size page, scroll down, turn on reduce white point. Thanks for watching this video.